Hi guys, Yuri here again, and I think Samsung may have lied to us. Now what do I mean? When they released the Samsung S22 line and the Samsung S22 Ultra specifically, they said this phone has a variable refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Okay, but they also said it goes as low as 1 Hz in certain situations where your image isn't moving. And that was apparently to preserve battery. But does the screen actually goes as low as 1 Hz? Let's check it out. So to see that, we go to our settings, then we scroll all the way down to about phone, we tap that. Then you go to software information, and you see there the build number. We tap that multiple times until we get a message. It says, you are one step away from being a developer. Now I have to give in my pattern, which I will cut out of the video, of course. Right after you've done that, you just leave the software information, go back one more time, and then if you go down, underneath About Phone, it says Developer Options. If you tap that, we have a lot of different options. You scroll down until you see Show Refresh Rate on your screen. You enable that, and now in the left hand corner on the top, we see the refresh rate. And now you can see it switches between 120 Hz when I scroll, and now it's at 24 Hz. It's a still image though, so you would expect it to be at 1 Hz, though it isn't, it's at 24 Hz. Of course, every movement that I make, it goes to 120 Hz because I'm scrolling and the smooth movement is at 120 Hz. Now, we can open multiple applications to see what happens, of course. Let's, for example, take YouTube, where they show videos, of course. So let's go to YouTube and check out a video, for example, from Mr. Beast here. First, there's an ad. It goes to 60 Hz right here. But then if the video plays, let's see. Every touch that I give, it's 120 Hz, but let's go to here, the video, it's at 30 Hz. So seeing that, we know that the video is recorded in 30 frames per second. Now let's go and check out a video of mine, and I film in 24 frames a second, so you will see that as well. 24 frames, yeah, 24 frames, right? So, but those are not still images, so it cannot go as low as 1 Hz. Now let's take a picture, for example. One that I took from my new mic here. A still image, 24 Hz. So it doesn't go as low as 1 Hz. Now I don't know, perhaps the screen is able to go as low as 1 Hz, but perhaps the software doesn't let it to yet. And I don't know if Samsung is planning to enable this in a future update, software update. And I don't know if I missed something right here, but going as low as 1 Hz is a bit of a lie, because the lowest as it goes right now is 24 Hz. I don't actually know how much this influences the battery. I don't think it will matter that much, but it's just the fact that they don't mention that. Just after the kind of fiasco that happened with SoC, I believe, with the whole performance issue that they had with game performance and such, that they throttled the phone and such. They already got quite a bit of backlash because of that. And now I notice that it doesn't go as low as 1 Hz, whilst they advertised it does. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this. Do you know more than I do? Are there some features that you can have at 1 Hz? If so, what are they? Otherwise, let's spread the message and hope that Samsung can enable this, because otherwise, if they cannot do that and the screen is not able to go as low as 1 Hz, that's just straight up a lie. I love the phone either way. It's a very good phone, and I enjoy most of it very much, but I don't think they should lie about features that they don't have yet, right? So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Also, don't forget to check out the other videos that I made from this phone, the Galaxy Buds Pro. I will have other videos in the future about technological equipment that I buy or bought, right? Guys, thank you very much, and see you guys next time. Bye. Now, first, let me sell. So to see, is that 20 hertz? Okay, so with that we know so they already got quite a big. Also, don't forget to check out my other Also, don't forget to check out my other Also, don't forget to check out. I have other